Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an XP farm in Minecraft Java. We will cover everything from gathering materials to activating your very own experience point generator. Building an XP farm is a fantastic way to gain levels quickly, allowing you to enchant your gear with powerful abilities and repair items effortlessly. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can construct an efficient farm to boost your gameplay experience. First, let's prepare by gathering your essential materials. You will need plenty of cobblestone or another solid building block, at least 4 water buckets, and several signs. Also, grab some hoppers and chests for collecting drops. Next, select an optimal location. It is best to build your farm high in the sky or deep underground, at least 128 blocks from any other loaded chunks, to maximize mob spawning rates. Darkness is key here. Now let's construct the core of your farm, the spawning platform. Begin by building a large, flat platform, ideally 24 blocks by 24 blocks, at least 2 blocks high. Ensure this area is completely dark. Next, create a 2 by 2 block hole in the center of your platform. This will be your drop chute. Then, strategically place water sources at the edges of your platform so that all water flows towards this central hole, guiding the mobs. Finally, let's complete your XP farm. Extend the central drop chute downwards for at least 22 blocks. This fall distance will reduce mob health to 1/2 heart, making them easy to defeat with a single punch. At the bottom, construct a small collection chamber with hoppers and chests to gather drops. To activate your farm, simply stand within 24 to 32 blocks of the spawning platform. Mobs will begin to fall, providing you with abundant experience points and valuable items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.